nut, creamy nut. Hi everyone. Today on Baking in Blue, we're gonna make some hazelnut and cream cheese cookies. Let's get started.
All right, so here we have half a cup of shortening, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of cream cheese, 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, half a cup of finely ground almonds, and half a cup of finely ground hazelnuts. And what I did is, both because I thought it would work out well and because I didn't want to get it out, I ground these up in my coffee grinder instead of my food processor. So it'll have a little hint of coffee in there. Okay, so for mixing these up, we're going to combine the flour, the baking powder, the salt, and the almonds in a small bowl and set that aside. And then in a large bowl, we're going to beat together the cream cheese, the shortening, and the sugar until that's nice and creamy. Then we're going to gradually add in that flour mixture while that's beating until it's nice and combined. And then we're going to chill the dough for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. All right, so let's start off here and stir together our flour, baking powder, salt, and almonds. I'm going to try to do it in there, but it's not going to really work out. Get a bigger bowl. That'll help. All right, and then we'll blend together the cream cheese, the shortening, and the sugar. Okay, and now we'll gradually add in that flour mixture. All right, and now we'll throw this in the fridge for about 1.5 hours. All right, so now that our dough is nice and chilled, we're gonna pinch off a little bit of it. Oop. It's still very sticky, even though it's been in there for almost 3 hours at this point. But roll it into a little 1-inch ball. Roll it through our hazelnuts. Like that, boop, and then put it on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. And then once we're done with this, we're going to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. All right, there we go. Now we'll throw these in the oven. Okay, and there we go. I did try one of these, and that little hint of coffee in there, delicious. So next week, we're actually gonna be making a little like kiwi meringue pie thing with Vermont. So meet me back here next week for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.